Now at the outset, I'll tell you these are straight off your worksheet. So if you want to grab the worksheet and as I work these, put them on there, no big deal. Okay, so hey, thinking back to yesterday, those exponents. 9 squared does not mean 9 times 2. It means 9 times 9. I wrote it 2 times, which is 81, by the way. All right, pause, going to class kick. I've got one for you. Alrighty. 8 to the third means 8 times 8 times 8. It does not mean 8 times 3, right? And 8 times 8 times 8. So 8 times 8 is 64 times 8. And 64 times 8 is 512, 512. Continue for more examples from me. Again, this one's straight off your worksheet. So, we start with parentheses and exponents, right? So that means that, you need to learn something about exponents here. If I have something written, let me show you this. Something written like this. If I have 2 thirds squared, that means that I can say 2 squared and 3 squared. So I can share with everybody. Okay? So that's kind of a fun rule there. Otherwise, you could write 15 fifths times 15 fifths times 15 fifths. But I tell you what, before I start on this one, I noticed that right here, 15 fifths can be reduced to, if you take out, a 3 here and a 1 here, so it really is the number 3. So it's really 3 cubed minus 6 times 2 squared. So 3 cubed, that's 3 times 3 times 3, so 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, minus 6, then we have 2 squared. So 27 minus, I have another exponent here to deal with. So 2 times 2 is 4, so 6 times 4. Now we have some multiplication to deal with before we do the subtraction. So 27 minus 24, which is 3. Pause, head into class kick. It's your turn. Alrighty, here we go. Parentheses and exponents. Now, I know this is parentheses, but those parentheses just mean multiplication. So we're going to do the exponents first. So 11 times 3 and 3 squared, that's 3 times 3, that's not 3 times 2, it's 3 times 3, which is 9. Now we do the multiplication division before we continue. So we're going to have 11 times 3 is 33 minus 9. 33 minus 9 is 24. Alright, you've got some homework over this. Again, these were straight off there anyway, so you got a few done already.